Okay, here's our last question, question 8. Which set of ordered pairs represent a function? So now we have these coordinates, which is now giving us coordinates that will be for a function. So remember, let's use our hints. Hint number one is that in order for it to be a function, right, that means that for every x value, there is going to be one y value. So in other words, you shouldn't see a repeating x value or an x value which now has two x values that's the same, which have the different y value. All right, that would be hint one. Hint two. Now that we understand what a function is, and we have to see which one's a function, one good strategy is to see about changing this information onto a table. So in other words, for A, let me take it, instead of putting it in the format of the coordinates, I'm just going to put it as a table to show that this is 2 as the input or x value, and 7 is the output. 2 is the input, and 8 is the output. That's let me make another 8 there. All right, and again 8, bigger but a little bit better, is the output, and then we have 3 is the input, and 8 is the output. All right, so just looking at this now, here I have what will look like a table now, and I want to look to see if this is a function or if this is not a function. So that could be your hint number 2, all right, in order for you to find out which one represents a function, which ordered pair, which represents a function. Hint number 3. Now, once you have all these tables set up for each one of these ordered pairs, then take a look at the x values. You know how to do that already. Look at your x values. And what you want to do is you want to take a look and see if you see that the x values are repeating, the input is repeating, but I'm seeing that I got two different outputs. We should know that when now looking at this, that this is not a function. I'm going to just put not a function, or instead of writing the whole word function, that is not fun, not at all. So this is not going to be a function, all right? It will not function well. So this is not a function when you see that you have two of the same x values, and it's giving you an output, which is going to be two different y values, all right? Okay, I hope that was helpful. See if you could add to this. I hope you did well with everything else that was here. Keep doing a great job, everybody. Good luck with what you're doing, and do well.